What's going on, everybody? Dan the Man from Crow Creations here, doing a little bit of a different project, doing a transmission today on a Chevy Equinox in a little different setting. So we're going to be working in my father's garage. So we're going to work on this car. It's got 145,000 miles on it. Transmission decided to just give up because it was never serviced. As you can see, the fluid doesn't look too pretty. And this is gonna be fun, so let's get to it. What in the stupid shit is this, GM?
Maybe.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you go. It's just the battery connections.
Oh.
Wow, GM, you're terrific. What is this? Now locked back into place. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Just change the battery. It's an annoying pain in the ass. Yeah. Okay, cool. Because, you know, put something in. Terrific General Motors. What in the... What do I do with the marker? Marker, I can't see it. Stupid. What do I do with the marker? Marker, I can't see it. Stupid. That spot.
Yeah, it's just to hold this end of the motor up.
Almost there. Alright, so a little update on doing the transmission on the 21 Equinox. We have the subframe out. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but you got to pull the drive shaft, you have to pull the exhaust, you have to disconnect all these plugs that go to your power steering pump, well, power steering gear, the electric, whatever it is, electric power steering rack. You have to disconnect all your knuckles from, I did it from the ball joint so that way all that stuff wasn't all attached. Now I just got to get the bell housing or transmission housing disconnected from the transfer case housing, and that's going to be the next step. But for now, I think I'm going to take a break for dinner, and we'll be back. See you in a minute. Don't show that bracket.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
I know, I'm kidding. Wow. So much more room under here now.
So much room for
Steering
activities.
rack out of the way. So, got the transmission out of the Equinox. So if you come over here, you can see that it is under there. All out, everything's out of the way, unplugged, a lot to do. I'm looking for my flashlight so I can give me a little bit better light. There's a flywheel and everything out of the way underneath this Chevy Equinox to replace the transmission. Now I gotta just get new axle seals and transfer case housing seal, and we can get this transmission put back in this thing. So for future reference, if anyone is planning on doing their Chevy Equinox transmission by themselves on their own lift, you need to remove your battery, you need to remove your transfer case, you need to remove your entire subframe. Not only that, you got to take out your drive shaft. You have your flex pipe for your exhaust. Your mount for your transmission that goes between your transmission and transfer case. Your starter, which to get to the flywheel, and your alternator. And there's a couple other stupid little brackets that are on anything that you need to remove for the catalytic converter that go to the housing on the transmission. So if you want to attempt this, good luck. If not, bring it to a shop that actually knows what they're doing.